Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So in this video I will explain you how to connect Assembly AI with Make. So let's start. As you receive your email after purchase, so you have an invite link. So you can click on that invite link and install Assembly AI in your Make account relevant. After that you can have to do all these things. So let's say right now I am using transcript. You can say where is the summarize a transcript, whatever the module you have to use according to your requirement. Let's say transcript audio. So here after when you select first time there is option create a connection. I already did some connection, so I have to click on add. So after that there are two things you have to do: API key and token. For the API key you have to copy this key and put in the link where in the account. So after that you can say you go to this place, and after that you can copy in the below section. If you can say your API key, copy that and go back and come to the again on the make and paste it here. So API key for the token, this the token you will get in the email after purchase. There is app token app developer. So for me it's just 1 2 3 4 5. So but you can use the real one which you get. It's just for me for now. So if I click on after that save, so hopefully connection will be there. Yes, it is. So this is how you can connect, and after that you have to do whatever things you want to do in Assembly AI. So if you have any question, do let us know, and if you need any help regarding automation in Make and Zapier, we can assist you as well, and we can provide AI voice agents as well for the inbound calls, outbound calls as well, to manage whole things with the AI agent. So if you need regarding that help as well, you can join our school community as well. The link added in the description. And please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a good day.